How to fix Snapchat invisible text on your Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem on Snapchat. Just watch this video until the end. First, you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps or applications. And on apps or applications, you have to go to Snapchat. You will search for Snapchat, and when you found Snapchat guys, just open it like this and then go to storage, and on storage go to the last button, clear data, then click OK, go back and click force tab and click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another